I&A Cleaning Services is a commercial cleaning services business that services pretty much office buildings, medical offices. We're in charge of the cleaning, of the building maintenance, make sure that the place is clean and disinfected, and make sure that when you go every day to work, you find a clean atmosphere. And especially now with the COVID, we want to make sure everything is disinfected and make everyone safe. So pretty much that's what we do. We've been in business for close to 10 years.
Wow.
And we're service the North Orlando area. And we're located in Altamont Springs, Florida. It's a great company. The customer service is incredible. It has been great for small businesses like mine to have the opportunity to interact with a payroll company that they're just a phone call away with any concerns that I might have. And it has been working great. I have my employees in direct deposit and it's going fine. And I'm very satisfied with the services. Thank you for having me.